Most people get this wrong. They assume T-Mo is just another payday advance or BNPL app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that T-Mo has expanded into a full-featured financial platform offering early wage access, flexible installment plans, and spending management tools that help you stay in control of your money. Here's how T-Mo works. First, you can access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often within hours. This is perfect for emergencies, sudden bills, or urgent expenses. Second, eligible purchases can be split into smaller installments over a few weeks with predictable flat fees rather than high interest rates. That makes budgeting simpler and avoids nasty surprises. T-Mo also provides dashboards, alerts, and reminders, helping you track spending and upcoming payments. These tools encourage responsible use and reduce the risk of late fees. The downside, overuse can get costly. Frequent advances or missed payments can add up quickly, and relying too heavily on T-Mo may hide deeper financial challenges. Tips for responsible use: 1. Only request advances or installments you can repay. 2. Enable notifications to stay on top of payments. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce dependence on T-Mo. Who benefits most? People with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits could end up paying more than they save. In conclusion, T-Mo in 2026 is a convenient and flexible tool, but only if used responsibly. Track fees, plan repayments carefully, and treat it as a short-term solution. Subscribe for more honest app reviews and practical financial advice.